Our focus today is on how to edit photos on iPhone. Okay, so if there is a picture you took on your iPhone and it's not looking excellent or is looking dark, this video guides you on how you can edit that video using the Photos app without involving any third party app at all. So let's get into it. I am on the screen of my iPhone, so let's tap on the Photos app to get to the photo we want to use. Okay, so let's work with this one. So I will tap on it. You can see how this picture looks here. My face looks kind of dark because I used the front camera of iPhone 11 Pro to take the picture. The next step you need to take here for us to start is tap the edit button, which is at the top right. Good. This gives us these functions at the bottom part, the commands, okay. Then auto is selected by default. So let's tap. You can see how it changed the look. Okay, on this auto, you can see it adds a little light to the face. But let's see if we can do extra work here. So let's push this line forward. You can see it's adding more light to my face and making it brighter other than how it was before. Okay. All right. Let's stop here. Then I tap on the next command. That's exposure. All right. So on this exposure, we can push this line from 0 to 1 and see how it's gonna beautify our face, the face here. So now if we push it too much to 40 something, it will become kind of too whitish. So let's take it back down here. I think it's cool at 4. Okay, if you leave it at 4 or 6, it's gonna be fine. Then we tap on the next command. This is Brilliance. It's another video editing feature on this Photos app that still works fine. So let's push down to see. If we push down, it makes the photo dark again. You can see we are at -20 here, so we got to go to plus section and see how it's gonna beautify this. Okay, so you can see we are on 44. Yeah, so we tap on the next button to see highlight what it's gonna do to the picture. Okay, highlight doesn't have much impact, though it still makes the photo kind of cooler. So as you're shifting this button, this line, you ensure that you monitor the changes it's making on your picture. So once you're okay at any point in time, just stop. Okay, then the next one after the highlights, that's shadow. It allows you to add shadow to the picture. By default, it should be at 0. Yes, but if you drag it down, it will add some effects, some beauty to the picture you're trying to edit. If you go down, okay, no, shadow is too much. So we got to get to the plus side. Okay, so let's leave it at 7. It's fine that way. Then we get to the next one, contrast. It still adds beauty to your picture. Wow. Okay, it makes the picture looks more real. So let's take it to the plus side. No. Okay, so get it to the minus side depending on what you want to achieve. So at -10 is fine. -15 is fine as well. -17 is okay. So we have it at -17. Then the next button is brightness, which brightens the picture. Okay, so you may have it at 0 by default. So you can get to the minus side to make it darker. No, depending on what you want to achieve. But here we need something bright. Okay, we don't want anything that will make our picture dark. Okay, so monitor what you're doing. Okay, we having it at 21 is not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, 21. If we take it to 25, let's see what we have. It makes it too bright. So 21 is fine. All right, the brightness is okay at that level. Then black points. I think this works at the black points on the face or on the picture. So you just twist the whole thing now. Don't go to the minus side, get to the plus side, okay? Black spots, black points. It detects the black points in the picture. It still adds beauty to the picture and makes it look great. Then saturation. It adds saturation effect on the picture, all right? So, okay. So you know what you want to achieve. So whether you go towards the minus or towards the plus. I don't need something much here in this saturation aspect. No, that's too much. If you go towards the plus, you can leave it at 4. You can even leave it at 0. Okay, I think it's okay by 0, please. Let's not spoil what you have been working on. Okay, we have done saturation, we have done brilliance, we have done, okay, this is the warmth. It adds warmth, it adds warmness to your picture. So you can drag towards the minus or towards the plus side, depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, but be professional as you do that. Okay, having it at 10, 9 is not bad. The warmness is okay. Okay, tint. It adds tint beauty to the picture you're working on, all right? Okay, so but monitor what you're doing as usual. So having it as 0, tint having it as 0 is fine. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. Then sharpness, I think we have, okay, we have worked on brightness before. Sharpness, let's sharpen the picture. Okay. Now, don't make it to be too shouty. If you take it too much, it will make the picture noisy. Okay. So avoid that from happening. Please. Having it at 5, yes, it's okay. So we at 5 here, sharpness level. Then definition, as definition to the image you're working on. All right. So you monitor what you're doing. No, 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 no. If you do not touch the definition, just keep it at 0 or at 1 or 2. It's not bad. It's cool that way. All right. So noise reduction, it reduces the noise on the picture. Okay, so 0 is chosen by default. So let's see how it's gonna beautify this. Okay, when we move up more, no, that's too much. Okay, noise reduction effect. Okay, we're having it less, maybe 3 or 4. It's not bad. Okay, don't take it too much, maybe to 20 or 30, please. Okay, this one is fine at this stage. Then Vignette, okay, is placed as 0 by default. Let's see how it's gonna impact on this. Okay, it has kind of shadow effect and makes your face to change color. Yeah, but let's just take it at minimum level, please. If I drag this way, no. You test until you arrive at something you feel okay with. Yes, having it at 0 is fine. Okay, so we have applied all the features on this phone, on this picture, sorry, and it has made good change to the original nature of the picture. All right. So now that we are done with the editing, just tap on done. Okay, let's now check the before and the after and see how the two look. We compare it. You see that this one we edited here looks more beautiful than the original one. Okay, let's now compare these two pictures. Look at the original, okay? You can see how it looks. Then look at the one we edited. You can see that between these two pictures, the one we just edited looks more okay, or looks okay, looks better than the original copy. Though I didn't do a very neat job here because this is tutorial, but in my own convenient time, I will take out my time and create what I want to have. And at the end, it will look more beautiful compared to the original one. So in your own convenient time, apply all those features. You will see that the one you have at after the editing will look more beautiful than the original. So just follow these steps and you get the best out of your pictures. Thank you. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we cover a lot on software, okay? Self-publishing and YouTube education. All are under technology. So subscribe to learn as much as you can, okay? Hit that like button so that YouTube recommend this content to more people that need it. If you don't do that, there's no how they will recommend it, okay? That like button you are hitting shows that this video is helpful, so please hit it. Have you done that? Okay, thank you. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this content. Does it really helps you or not? If it does not and you have any specific question relating to photo editing, drop that in the comment section. I will answer you, okay? Watch this video to learn a full guide on graphics design. Thank you and see you some other time.